Many of us have that one comfort food we can't resist. For me, it's creamy potato salad loaded with mayonnaise. It's delicious, but did you know that just 1 tablespoon of mayo contains around 90 calories and 10 grams of fat? Over time, this seemingly harmless habit can contribute to weight gain and increased cholesterol levels. Today, we'll explore how to enjoy the same comfort food without compromising our health. Let's start by understanding the risks of our current choices. After weeks of indulging in my favorite mayo-based salad, I stepped on the scale and noticed an unsettling trend. Research shows that frequent consumption of high-fat condiments like mayonnaise is linked to obesity and heart disease. The nutrition label on my mayo jar revealed a shocking 1,260 calories per cup. Suddenly, my comfort food didn't feel so comforting anymore. It was time to make a change before these daily choices led to more serious health consequences. Determined to find a better alternative, I began researching online. Studies show that Greek yogurt contains half the calories of mayonnaise and is packed with protein and probiotics. The Cleveland Clinic recommends it as a heart-healthy substitute. As I scrolled through nutrition blogs and health websites, one solution kept appearing. Plain Greek yogurt could provide the same creamy texture without the unhealthy fats. This discovery sparked my culinary experiment. Armed with my new knowledge, I headed to the supermarket. Walking down the dairy aisle, I compared nutrition labels. While traditional mayonnaise contains about 10 grams of fat per serving, non-fat Greek yogurt has 0. I hesitated before placing the plain Greek yogurt in my cart. Would it really taste good in my favorite salad? This moment represented more than just a food purchase. It was the first step toward healthier eating habits. Back in my kitchen, I carefully prepared my traditional potato salad recipe, substituting mayonnaise with a Greek yogurt. Research from the American Heart Association suggests this swap can reduce saturated fat intake by 75%. As I mixed the yogurt with boiled potatoes and fresh herbs, the texture looked remarkably similar to my usual version. The real test would be the taste. Taking my first hesitant bite, I noted the tangy difference, but was pleasantly surprised by how satisfying it remained. While the yogurt version was good, it needed some tweaking to match my expectations. I discovered that adding a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of garlic powder enhanced the flavor significantly. Nutritionists often recommend these additions as they boost taste without adding calories. Side by side, the two salads looked nearly identical, but the yogurt version contained 40% fewer calories. This small adjustment proved that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. Confident in my improved recipe, I served the yogurt-based salad at a family gathering without mentioning the substitution. Studies show people often can't tell the difference when healthy swaps are made skillfully. As my relatives enjoyed their meals, none suspected the healthier change. This social experiment proved that small dietary modifications can be both beneficial and unnoticeable to others, making healthy eating easier to maintain long-term. After a month of using Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise, I noticed significant changes. My fitness tracker showed improved energy levels and better sleep patterns. Research confirms that reducing saturated fat intake can lead to these benefits. Stepping on the scale revealed a modest but encouraging weight loss. More importantly, blood tests showed improved cholesterol levels. These tangible results proved that small dietary changes can have profound health impacts. Excited by my results, I began sharing the recipe with friends at a weekend picnic. The American Diabetes Association recommends such substitutions to prevent obesity-related diseases. As I explained the simple swap, my friends were surprised by how easy healthy eating could be. Seeing their interest reminded me that good habits are contagious. By making one small change in our diets, we can inspire others to consider their food choices more carefully. Today, Greek yogurt has become my standard ingredient, while mayonnaise is an occasional treat. My refrigerator reflects this permanent change, stocked with yogurt and fresh ingredients. Studies show it takes about 66 days to form a new habit, and this one has stuck. The journey taught me that healthy eating doesn't require drastic measures, just smarter substitutions. By making one simple swap, I've created lasting benefits for my health without losing life's culinary pleasures.